Hello, in this video I'm with the Vivo Y21S and I'm gonna show you how Camera Pro mode works on this smartphone. First of all, we need to open the More modes and select Pro mode. Right now, let's start from the exposure compensation and we can set this parameter between +3 and the -3. And that's, by the way, the only parameter that you can only adjust manually. For the rest of these parameters, you can do this also automatically. So let me show you. There we can find ISO. As you can see, we can do this manually and we can find this automatic adjustment on the first place. Next, we can find shutter speed. We can set the shutter speed even for the 32 seconds. The next option is the white balance with the presets. And the manual slider. Right here we can find focus range. So we can manually set the focus on this phone. When you go for the upper bar, we can find the flashlight. So we can turn on, for example, the fill light. Here we can find camera leveler. And by tapping on the right upper corner, we can find some settings. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.